of Unparalleled. Thank you guys for jumping in. Appreciate it as always. Ending on the bay right now is Chrome Jumbo. Good luck. Mike White Impact. That one's numbered out of 75. For the Giants, jersey auto, Kyle Laletta. The Giants, Kyle Laletta. Jersey auto. That one is not numbered. The Giants. Worrell Cyril Grayson for the Seahawks. That is numbered out of 100. Worrell Tanner Lee, the Jaguars. That one at 100. Jordan Howard, victorious jersey for the Bears. That one is not numbered. Nick Chubb, Astral for the Browns. That one's out of 200. Astral, Corey Littleton, the Rams. That one's out of 200 as well. Victorious Chris Hogan, Astral, the Patriots out of 200. Astral Allen Hurns, the Cowboys. It's out of 200. What's it called? Super Plaid Teddy Bridgewater for the Jets. It's out of 150. For the Eagles, Dallas Goedert, rookie auto. That one is not numbered. Alright, 1 down, 3 to go. Rookie Focus Jersey, James Washington for the Steelers. That one's not numbered. Hyper, Josh Rosen, Hyper. That one's numbered 3, which I believe is his jersey number. Yep, 3 of 25. Jersey number eBay 1 of 1. 3 of 25 on the Rosen. Impact Austin Pro. 3 of 75 on that one. Raji, oh shoot. We got 150 points. Be random at the end. Astral Roger Worley. It's out of 200. Demetrius Harris, Astral Chiefs, out of 200. For the Arizona Cardinals, jersey auto, Christian Kirk. Not numbered. Christian Kirk. Super Plaid Joe Flacco. It's out of 150. Astral Dante Jackson for the Panthers. It's out of 200. Whirl Rob Havenstein. Out of 100. Slot. Star Factor die cut Antonio Brown. Chris Thompson, Super Plaid for the Redskins. Out of 150. Rashard Matthews, Astral, for the Titans, out of 200. For the Broncos, jersey auto, Royce Freeman. Super Plaid, Graham Glasgow, out of 150. Lavon Coleman, Astral, that's out of 200. Odell Beckham Jr., Whirl, for the Giants. Was that a 70? Oh, no, 100, sorry. That was 75. 100. Oh. Rashard Matthews, Super Plaid for the Titans. It's out of 150. Rookie Focus jersey of DJ Moore for the Panthers. DJ Moore for the Panthers jersey. Hyper Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs. It's 13 of 25. Impact Cortland Sutton, out of 75. For the Steelers, jersey auto, Jalen Samuels. Jalen Samuels for the Steelers. DJ Moore, Astral for the Panthers. It's out of 200. All right, 3 down, 1 to go. Super Plaid, Jordan Whitehead, out of 150. For the Bears, jersey auto, Anthony Miller. Jersey auto, Anthony Miller for the Bears. Whirl, Kenny Golladay, The Lions out of 100. Hyper Marquise Valdez-Scantling for the Packers out of 25. Impact Mike Evans for the Bucks out of 75. Super Plaid Steven Anderson for the Texans. It's out of 150. Of course, for the Steelers, jersey rookie focus of Mason Rudolph. Mason Rudolph jersey swatch for the Steelers. Steelers always hit. Steelers, Steelers, Steelers. Astro Cortland Sutton. Out of 200. Tevin Coleman, Whirl for the Falcons, out of 100. And last but not least, Astral Aaron Brewer for the Cardinals, out of 200. And autograph Marcus Davenport for the Saints. Rookie auto, not numbered. Alright, we do have to random off the points, so bear with me for a moment while I load that up here real quick. Alright. Come on over, we're going to roll some dice. We do not do 2s or 3s. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goes to the Texans. Texans get 150 points. Alright, up next will be Chrome Jumbo Baseball.